How long will it take to get money? How long will it take to resolve my case? And really, if we told you a number or a day or a month, we'd really be lying to you. A lot of different factors out of our hands will determine when the case would resolve. First of all, if you have big injuries and there's limited amount of insurance, we're going to be able to get that money fairly quickly. You don't want that because you're not getting fully compensated for your injuries. And if you have a moderate set of injuries and there's a lot of insurance, you're going to want us to fight to get as much money as possible. But if you have some serious injuries with a whole lot of insurance, that's going to take a long time because they're not going to pay millions of dollars. Insurance companies not going to pay millions of dollars on a case until we prove that we're going to take them to court and get more than that. That's the only reason they pay on these cases. So we have to build our case up with experts, with treatment, with reports, and take depositions of the defendant and the driver, say if it's a truck accident, and get to the doorsteps of the courthouse to get maximum settlement if you want to settle your case. Otherwise, we can go to trial. But that's what it takes to get big injuries with a big return and have a lot of insurance. You have to take it as far as you can, and that sometimes could take 2 to 3 to 4 years to get there. That's your best result, but in reality is if you have some serious injuries with minimal or moderate insurance, our firm has a reputation that we're going to take these cases to court, so the insurance companies in the area generally are paying us out on those cases sooner than most other firms in our experience.